Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little update. I got some new tools in my little shop here and I'd like to go over it. So first off, got like more pegboard space here. I went to Harbor Freight and I got some stuff at yard sales and stuff recently. So first thing, I got a new screwdriver set up here from Harbor Freight. They're Pittsburgh. It's like a 22 piece. It was like $10 and it was actually not that bad. Uh, Got magnetic strips up there, some Husky 6 point short SAE sockets, long SAE sockets on this Harbor Freight socket rail. These are actually pretty nice. I have more in the drawer down here. My wrenches, locking pliers, scissors, the 7 piece Pittsburgh set, some Pittsburgh Pro diagonal cutters. I just got these. They're pretty nice. They have a nice grip on them. Don't know how well they cut yet though. Hammers, adjustable wrenches, a little micro screwdriver set from Fry's Electronics. It was like $5. I needed it when I was on vacation. My mallet, aviation snips, tin snips, hammer. My metric and SAE little 1/4 inch sockets from Powerbuilt, I think. Chemicals, random stuff, parts bins, my normal parts bins here, all kinds of stuff in here. This is my Radio Shack 3 amp, 12 volt, 13.8 volt power supplies for like testing like car equipment stuff because save voltage. I brought my nice multimeter down here, my Velman one, instead of my Harbor Freight. Some 12 gauge wire, parts bin. What else we got here? So in this toolbox, it's a little different. Still up here, just screwdrivers, drill bits. I got another soldering iron there. Scraper. First drawer is relatively the same. There's normal pliers, long nose, normal pliers here, slip joint, and some long reach Pittsburghs. Second here, I have some new stuff in here. I have my wire strippers, some cutters, coax crimpers, diagonal cutters. These are my new flush cut cutters from Fry's. They're not bad at all. They cut solder off and stuff, points. These are also new. I got a yard sale or secondhand store, can't remember. RJ11 crimpers. I mean, these are plastic ones. They're not the best, but I'm sure they'll crimp, so that's all that matters. And then some nice RJ45 ones. I really like these. Bottom drawer is all new. This is the rest of this set up here, the 22 piece. There's actually a lot in here. Torques, squares, the normal stuff here. Shorts and very small, like zeros, I think they're called. And then also some micros and the Pittsburgh picks. These are like $1 or $2. Or like, why wouldn't you get those? Okay. Over here, my tool bag, my go-to bag. Just throw stuff in there if I need it, like electrical stuff. Over here, still got some 1/4 inch, just spare Craftsman stuff or Powerbuilt. I don't ever use these really. So recently I've got a lot of sockets. Like when I mean a lot of sockets, I mean like 200 of them in a Craftsman set. So I'm just gonna have to go over those as we go along. So I got these new rails from Harbor Freight. They're like $10 or a 3-piece. I like them okay. They broke in a couple spots already, but it makes it look like you don't have as many sockets because I'm missing a lot of them, is what I mean. So back here I have my Craftsman 1/2 inch stuff. It's not the long, it's short stuff. This just came in that set. My Husky one from previously. These are my most used. I'm not going to use the Craftsman one mainly because they're pretty rusty and I haven't taken the time to fully clean them yet. Some of them are even worse. My extension, my 30 mil socket here. So this is my 3/8 stuff. I have my long Husky set. Again, it doesn't look like there's that many there because you're missing like 5 over here. My short, and these are all metrics too, so 1/4 inch, sorry, long, shorts, extension. Both my, or all my Husky ratchets, 1/2, 3/8, and 1/4. I got some stickers because I'm that sticker guy, yeah. I got them on like Amazon. So top drawer here, relatively simple. I got my standard wrenches and my bits and my ratcheting screwdriver and stuff. Just because there's more room over here. I have less of these wrenches than I do of the metrics. And I mean, I'd like to get some rail things here, but these little skinny drawers here aren't the best for that. So it's okay like this. This third drawer is all the rest of the sockets. I have way too many sockets for what I ever need. All I would ever need is these Husky ones, but these were like $10. So I have a bunch of huge standard sockets from Craftsman back here. They're 6-point. My normal Husky half-inch drive standard set. These are standard long Huskies 3/8. These are my 3/8 standards, as well as a 3/4 inch snap-on impact socket. These are standard shorts from Husky. These, I believe, are short standards as well from Craftsman, 6-point. Or no, sorry, these are metric, I believe. Yes, these are metric. This is my metric short Craftsman set. These are pretty nice too. I still need to clean them off. But starting below that is the 12-point stuff. These are all power built, and I'm not sure where this comes from. I'm not sure if it's like advanced auto, but this also came in that big bucket of sockets that I got with Craftsman. So a full set of standard and metric, and then my Husky 12 points, which never really used before, I probably won't use. I have more room to put stuff in here if I need to, and I want to get some more of these little socket things. I really like these because they're a lot easier to move than, let's say, these. They're not little metal things, and they have the clip you could push in, and they snap in better. I also have some extensions in there and reducers and stuff. So that's the top chest part. The bottom here, this used to be where I got those rails, all the sockets in this one drawer, and it was just too much, so I split it up. Now it's my pass-through Craftsman set. I use this if I need to get to something that's like needs a pass-through. My cheater bar thing and my pry bar-ish, like Klein, I believe it is. My 3/8 half-inch and 1/4-inch Torx and Allen set. I really like this set from Nico. It's pretty handy. Bottom drawer is my power tools, my 19.2 volt Torque Craftsman and my 18 volt Craftsman 2 batteries light. I use this one more often. This batteries are kind of dying since they're the NICD batteries. They're still really bad. I have a ghetto charger over here for it. It charges in like 2 hours and I get like 20 minutes from it. So the 19.2, at least I can plug it in over here and it takes about 30 to an hour and I can get like 40 minutes out of it. So over here on the side I have my Husky set, my long and like my pry bar type things here. They're not real pry bars, but my favorite screwdrivers to this date are these Pittsburgh magnetic ones. These are really old ones, but they have a newer one I have upstairs in my house. So down here is my electrical box, wire, stuff in there. My box for the Craftsman drill. So this is another new thing I got recently from Fry's Electronics. It's a IUA INT 936 soldering iron station, and it's a variable temperature. It's actually really nice. It heats up in, I don't know, 30 seconds, if that. It has a really small tip on it, but the thing about this is it's a knockoff of a Hakko or Hakko 936, and that means all the parts work for it. If you wanted to buy generic, if you wanted to just buy Chinese knockoffs from eBay, it's really cheap, and you can replace this tip and the heating element for like $20 or something like that. And if you guys want to see like a video specifically on the soldering iron, I can definitely do that if you want. But it's really nice of what I used so far. I built a power supply out of a power supply from a computer power supply for upstairs in my room. So, I don't think there's anything else here that I got new, but I just wanted to share with that because it makes it a lot more of a full set when I have a lot more sockets, screwdrivers, stuff like that. So, if you guys like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to comment down below, I'll definitely read them and comment back. But if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.